this is Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am here with some quick tips for getting and staying organized, fall edition. And the first one is how to organize your garage. Fall is the perfect time to organize your garage because the weather's nice, and then when you're done, you have space to pull your cars in for the potentially cold, snowy, icy weather. So how do we organize the garage? Well, we start like we would with any organizing project. We have to review all of the contents. You can either do this in one long weekend where you just go at it, or you can sort of work your way in small pockets of time around the room. You're going to decide as you review if items are to keep, to donate, to trash, to recycle, maybe carry somewhere else in the house, potentially sell. And also in the garage, you may come across hazardous waste, such as motor oil or fertilizer. Hazardous waste should be boxed up with a label so you're ready to go when your town has the hazardous waste pickup or disposal day. For the keep items, first separate out things that are relatively flat. These are items that we can hang on the wall. We can hang them with simple hooks that we buy from a home supply store that we just hammer into the wall of the garage. Or we can put in a wall of pegboard. Pegboard is very affordable and there are a million hooks that you can get to go with it. There are also track systems where a long track is hung, maybe two on the wall, and there are special hooks that go on these. And then lastly, there are slat walls where you cover the whole wall in a series of slats and hooks hang off of those. So that's what we're going to do for the flat. The other items you want to sort into categories or zones, such as sporting goods, garden, tools, and the like. These can go on shelves or in cabinets, usually in the back of the garage. You can put them in bins and label them by category, or if they're large objects, they can sit right on the shelf. And by shelf, you can use everything from plastic shelving that you get at a Home Depot or a Lowe's, or rolling racks, which are kind of nice because you can roll them out and sweep the leaves and dirt from underneath them periodically. You can also install shelving or cabinetry to fit your needs. Again, largely this is a budget item. So do all those things that are small enough to go in a cabinet or shelf. You may end up with a few that don't fit either the flat or the shelving option, and those might need to live on the floor. That's okay, something like a bike. And what you can do is look online. There are special storage devices that have been designed to accommodate odd-shaped items and specific needs, like a bike rack or baskets for balls and stuff like that. So don't be afraid, dive right in, make the most of fall to get your garage organized.